No, this is ADM. Which one are you calling?
Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy St. Patrick's Day to all you Irish and even the non-Irish. As far as the markets are concerned, overnight commodities and the stock markets are up and the dollar is lower. And this is following yesterday's Fed comments, mostly about talking that they may not increase interest rates as much as people had thought earlier. They also talked a little bit about crude oil coming down and offering some support to the marketplace, but also that January and February there were some hints that were leaking towards maybe a recession. So those factors is right now weighing on the dollar and helping commodities and helping stocks. As far as the grains are concerned, beans are up a nickel, corn's up 2 cents, and wheat's up 4 cents. We're right at that $9 magic level in the beans. Any further upside, resistance is about 917. In May corn, we're at 370. Again, 380 seems to be a very strong level of resistance given the fundamentals. And wheat trying to get a little bit closer to the $5 level, but again, there's no reason to push over $5 unless there's a weather problem somewhere globally in 2016. We get weekly export sales, and wheat's supposed to be somewhere around 350, 400,000 tons. Last week, 331. Corn, 700 to a million tons. Last week it was a million tons, and beans, 700,000 tons. Last week it was 475. There was some talk yesterday of maybe a reduced chance of China buying U.S. beans for May. China margins are declining, and also Brazil prices are still cheaper. Down in South America, the weather looks okay, but still some uncertainty political in Brazil, and the farmers still not selling in Argentina. We do have that report on March 31st where the government tells us that stocks of corn, beans, or wheat probably above a year ago, and we'll finally figure out what farmers' early intentions on planting acres by crop is. We had one group saying that corn acres could be 90.4 versus 88 last year, and beans about the same as last year's 82.7. Weather-wise in the Midwest, the 6 to 10 calls for above normal temps and normal to above rains, except in the Southwest. And the 8 to 14 day is pretty much the same. April U.S. weather, according to our forecaster, should be the same as March. Wet in the South, dry in the plains, and pretty much normal in the Midwest. Yesterday, funds bought beans and oil. They sold meal, corn, and wheat. Continue to be big shorts in beans, meal, corn, wheat, and longs in oil. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.